Guys, Omaha issued an SVR. It's just the basic. 60-mile-per-hour winds and it's cold as hell.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lancaster County in southeastern Nebraska until 12:15 p.m. At 11:33 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over northwestern Lincoln, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar indicator.
Look at that polygon. Looks kind of identical to something like Twisted.
Vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lincoln.
Oh, I accidentally
Malcolm,
refreshed
Raymond,
this.
Davie, Lincoln Airport, Emerald,
Lincoln
Pioneers Park, Denton, Pawnee State Recreation Area, and Conestoga State Recreation Area.
Recreational area.
This includes Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 390 and 412. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
It says Lancaster.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m.
Wait, where did the radar go?
Lancaster,
It doesn't show.
Nebraska.
Oh, there we go. It wanted to play hide and seek. Where's the storm
Flood
track?
advisory information for the following county: Butler,
It's
Nebraska.
not showing.